Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Compact Circular Saw New Model 2022. We are going to check out top 10 best compact circular saw in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this compact circular saw, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below.
Top 10.
Mini Circular Saw with Track 3-3/8 6,500 RPM Compact Circular Saw with 2x15 guide rails. Mini Plunge Cut Saw with 3 saw blades for wood, soft metal, tile and plastic. Powerful motor and 6 variable speed. Features a 500W copper motor for fast cutting and ripping, making cut wood, plastics, plywood board, PVC pipes, tile with ease. Speed adjustment dial with 6 positions, 3,500-6,500 RPM speed range allows you choose the exact speed to deal with different tasks. Lightweight design with 3 blades. This mini circular saw weighs only 4.1 pounds, which weighs 50% less than a traditional circular saw. It is convenient for preservation with the included storage bag. Comes with one X24T TCT for wood cutting, one X44T HSS for soft metal cutting, one PCS grit diamond blade for tile cutting. Easy cutting and adjustable cutting depth. Comes with guide rails, achieving straight line cutting easily.
Top 9.
Makita SH02Z12V Max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Circular Saw 3-3/8 Teal. Makita built motor delivers 1,500 RPM for faster cutting. 3-3/8 blade delivers a maximum cutting depth of 1 for a wide range of cutting applications. Adjustable cutting depth from 1 at 90 deg and 5/8 at 45 deg tilting base for bevel cuts from 0 deg, 45 deg. Cuts plywood, MDF, pegboard, particleboard, melamine, drywall and more.
Top 8.
Mini Circular Saw Inventor 5.8, a compact circular saw with laser guide 6 blades 120V max cutting depth 111/1690 deg, 11/845 deg, 3,500 RPM ideal for soft metal, wood tile drywall and plastic cuts. Powerful motor and compact saw. 705W/5.8 amp powerful motor provides 3,500 RPM no-load speed for cutting wood, metal, tile, aluminum plastics, and PVC2 with ease. 6 blades. 2 X24T TCT 115 mm. For woodcuts / 2 X60T HSS 115 mm. For wood and soft metal cuts / 2 PCS grit diamond blade 115 mm for tile cuts, extending the applications of the compact circular saw. Great tool for home decoration and perfect gift for woodworking and DIY lovers. Adjustable cutting depth. Inventor circular saw allows you to freely adjust the cutting angle from 0 deg to 45 deg. Cutting depths can also easily adjusted to a max cutting depth of up to 1-11/16 at 90 deg and 1-3/8 at 45 deg. The angle and depth adjustment helps you do various cutting in woodworking.
Top 7.
POPOMAN 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw with Laser Guide, 4-1/2, 3,400 RPM Compact Circular Saw, 2.0 Ah battery, 1H charger, ideal for wood, plastic, and metal cuts. Summer vacation plus back to school. Best gift for dyer/family. Cordless Universal Battery System. Cordless, highly mobile, breaking the limitations that traditional circular saws must work in a friendly environment. 2.0 Ah Li-ion battery and 2A fast charger complete charge in 1H. Cordless circular saws with excellent maneuverability and portability. Best for people working on the go and in off-grid environments. POPOMAN circular saw battery equipment is common to all cordless power tools of the POPOMAN brand. Powerful, free 2X saw blades. Features a 20A battery to offer great power for fast cutting. The mini circular saw running at 3,500 RPM for easy cutting of wood, soft metal, plastic, gypsum board, PVC pipe.
Top 6.
WEN 3625 5-amp 4-1/2-inch Beveling Compact Circular Saw with laser and carrying case. Perfect for wood, tile, drywall, sheet metal, ceramic, PVC, pipes, and more. Create beveled cuts in workpieces anywhere from 0 to 45 degrees. Illuminate your line of cut and maximize accuracy with the included laser. 5A motor rotates the 4-1/2-inch blade 3,500 times per minute for cuts up to 1-11/16-inch.
Top 5.
Mini Circular Saw. HYCHIKA Compact Circular Sawtile Saw with 3 saw blades, 4A pure copper motor. 3-3/8 4,500 RPM, ideal for wood, soft metal, tile, and plastic cuts. Laser guide, scale ruler. Durable and powerful motor. Featured with a 4 amps copper motor, the compact circular saw can reach a high cutting speed of 4,500 RPM to cut tile, wood, plastics, plasterboard, PVC with ease. Heavy gauge iron wraparound base and aluminum upper cover adds extra durability and safety. 3 blades and compact. Comes with 1x30T HW for wood cuts / 1x36 THS for metal cuts / 1 PCS grit diamond blade for tile cuts. Small size and weight also make it a good addition to your toolkit. Great for DIY projects around the house and your workshop. 1 for wood, 3/8 for tile, 3/16 for aluminum.
Top 4.
PowerSmart Circular Saw, 24T4-1/2 Electric Circular Saw, 4 amp 3,500 RPM Power Saw, Mini Circular Saw with laser guide, 2 saw blade included. 4 amp electric motor, delivers a no-load speed of 3,500 RPM, easily cuts through wood, PVC tubing, laminate flooring, plastic, plasterboard, and MDF. Includes in 24T tungsten carbide tip blade 4-1/2 in diameter. Arbor size, 3/8 in. This mini saw comes with laser beam guide and the scale ruler, which can assist you to cut a straight line for when high precision is needed. Accurate cuts are assured by the parallel guide and laser light. Angle adjustment for bevel cuts of up to 45 day. Mini circular saw can adjust the cutting depth anywhere from 0 to 1-11/1642.8 mm with a max cut of 42.8 mm in order to adapt to perform better when cutting different materials. Leave your working area free of dust with the vacuum adapter for more precise cuts and helping you to focus on the task without the mess.
Top 3.
Rockwell 4-1/2 Compact Circular Saw, 5 amps, 3,500 RPM. With Dust Port and Starter Kit RK 3441K, black. More maneuverability. All the functionality of a full-size circular saw, but in a compact design that's easier to use and easier to make quick cuts with. Rear motor. For a more balanced feel. With the motor in the handle, you control much of the weight of the saw with just the palm of your hand for smoother movements. Easy depth setting. The readily accessible adjustment lever lets you change the cut on the fly, and the bevel adjustment lever enables you to make cuts from 0-45 day. Spindle lock button for quick and safe blade changes. Just grab the included blade key and switch out any brand's 4-1/2 blade. Improved blade visibility. The left-handed blade housing allows you to see exactly where you're cutting for straighter, more.
Top 2.
Rockwell Versacut 4.0 amp ultra compact circular saw with laser indicator and 3-blade kit with carry case. Powerful 4.0 amp multifunctional ultra compact circular saw cuts wide variety of materials such as tile, wood, sheet metal, plastics, flooring, and more. Ergonomic design with slim grip handle improves comfort and enhances grip and control. Guide with just one hand. Built-in laser guide helps you align the perfect cut. Pivoting metal guard accommodates safe and easy plunge cuts. Dust extraction adapter keep.
Top 1.
POPOMAN 20V Max 4-1/2 Cordless Circular Saw, 4.0 Ah battery, 4,500 RPM compact circular saw with laser, fast charger, 3 blades for wood, plastic, soft metal, and tile cuts. Summer vocation plus back to school. Best gift for Dyer/family. Earlier delivery time than other circular saws on Amazon. 4.0 Ah battery and high efficiency motor. 20V 4000 mAh large capacity battery allows for long working time once charged. 2.0 A charger is equipped for fast charging. Pure copper motor delivers 4,500 RPM no load speed for high efficiency cutting. 0.45 deg bevel cutting and multipurpose cutting. 0.45 deg adjustable bevel cutting enables various angle cutting. Max cutting depth from 1-11/16 at 90 deg and 1-1/8 at 45 deg. 3 blades extend the applications of the saw, meeting your different cutting needs. 24T TCT blade for wood, HSS blade for plastic and soft metal, and grit diamond blade for tile.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.